Take your PB&J sandwiches up a notch with homemade grape jam. First, you'll need 4 cups of washed seedless grapes. I used red grapes because that's what was available, but if you want that really deep purple color, go for Concord grapes. Just make sure they're seedless. Next is 3 cups of sugar, which I know seems like a lot, but since we aren't using any pectin, we need the sugar to achieve the right texture. Finally, add a little water to help dissolve the sugar. From here, it's just a matter of stirring everything together and cooking over medium-high heat until the sugar has dissolved and the grapes have started to soften. This will take around 20 minutes with frequent stirring. Now use a potato masher to crush the grapes. If you want a smoother texture, feel free to use an immersion blender to blend the grapes at this point. I personally prefer the rustic texture, but hey, you do you. Once you have the texture you want, continue cooking the jam, stirring frequently until it thickens and reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit, also known as the gel stage. This means the jam will set when cooled instead of being runny like syrup. Once cooked, ladle the jam into clean jars. This recipe makes enough for 2 jars like this, then place a clean lid on top, screw it tight, and chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or until set. Your jam can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 months to make your wildest peanut butter and jam sandwich dreams come true. And if you enjoyed this, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.